Okay, Jake, we are almost all the way done with your new move from the free move giveaway. How you feeling?
Well, it's before noon and we're getting it all done. So yeah, I feel amazing.
Yeah, what time did everyone get here? What,
They showed
9?
up at 9,
9.
right when they said they would, right
And
at
it is
9.
11:22
And
at
we
the
moved across
moment.
town and getting it done. Yeah.
Man.
So nice.
So, before you entered into the giveaway, how were you planning on moving? Obviously, you probably had the house already. You knew when your moving date was going to be. So, what was going through your mind during this time period?
Well, yeah, so we knew we needed to be out today so that we can get the other house prepped and get the renters in by tomorrow or Friday. So it was a lot of moving pieces. And with a house, like you always just end up with more things than you realize, you know? And
Yeah.
when you put it all together, then you finally it dawns on you like, oh my gosh, I got a lot of stuff. So just leading up to that, I knew it was going to be a lot of stuff. So I was just going to rent the biggest U-Haul truck that they offer, just start early morning and see how much I could get in there. I was planning on it taking all day. So yeah, so it was amazing.
And then, why did you enter our giveaway?
Yeah, so it was actually my wife who saw the social media post and decided why not? Because we're moving soon. This would be incredible. And honestly, it's hard to ever think that you're going to win. You can't bank on that. But
Of course.
no, we just saw the ad and decided to put our names in the hat. And we're so lucky we got drawn. So
Yeah, no, I mean, it was exciting for us. We actually have a video of our moving um, boss. He's not really our manager, but our moving boss. And we call you guys and you don't answer. And he's like, you like physically, he's just like, oh. And I'm like, how do you feel, man? And he was like, well, I wanted to tell him. He was so excited. So we end up going golfing and we were able to kind of get a message back from your wife. And then our moving manager calls us and is like, hey, go call her. And so we're like on the golf course. So we're like, okay. So we call her up and she was really excited. She was like, oh my gosh, thank you guys so much. It was really cool. But she was also kind of casual. Now that we're talking to you now, it seems like you were just so excited. How does it feel, or how did it feel when you first got told that, hey, this move's going to be taken off your shoulders for you?
yeah, and in her defense, like it probably didn't feel real because it didn't feel real for me when she told me that we won. Because like you don't ever expect it, you know. And
Right.
so the fact that we did probably takes a little bit to settle in and like get excited that oh my gosh, we actually don't have to move ourselves.
So yeah, it was definitely probably a buildup, huh? So we got the
Definitely.
shock, and then the phone hangs up. I mean, she was probably just
And
so
then she
excited to tell
immediately
it.
calls me and tells me the good
Then
news.
all the
And
personalities
we should
coming
have
out.
recorded that call. Yeah, that call would have been better.
Yeah. And we should have got your number. You would have just, oh my gosh.
Yeah.
No, I mean, that makes sense. My girlfriend would feel the same way.
Yeah.
Have you guys ever used a moving service before? Have you ever moved before on your own, or?
Yeah. So we moved out of this house that we're moving back into, moved a bunch of stuff to storage, moved into my parents' basement for a little bit, and then moved again from the storage unit in parents' basement over to that townhouse where we just moved from. So a couple times we've had to get a truck. The first time actually I didn't get a truck. It was the worst move of my life. We just had an enclosed trailer, filled it up a bunch of times, did a bunch of trips. It was a nightmare.
Just
Took
exhausting.
like a week.
Oh my gosh.
And then when we moved that second time, I did get a U-Haul, the biggest one, and just filled it up. Took all day. Had different crews of people because I didn't want to put anybody out, you know. Like I don't want anybody to dedicate their whole day for a move. So I got some coworkers to help with the morning shift, and then the later shift. I had some guys out there that lived out there. So it was a lot of coordination and like getting everything organized.
I mean, that's a part-time job at that point.
Yeah, we got it done, but it was, I mean, it took all day. And this, like, again, we're not even 3 hours in, and they're pretty much done.
Boom.
So
No, that's
amazing.
awesome.
Yeah.
And so that kind of leads into our next question. What has surprised you most about Big Ben's, how we Do Our Services, hiring a mover as a whole?
Well, yeah, a couple things. These guys don't stand around. They are working from the moment they show up to the moment they leave. I haven't seen anybody stand around. So all the guys are working. You showed up with, I don't even know, 6 or 7 guys, which is amazing. It's just making it go by so quick. And then these guys are beasts. They're bodybuilders or something. They're lifting dressers with the clothes still in it. I'm like, dude, just take the drawers out. But they don't care. They're all about the one trip, you know? It's like when you're a kid and you got groceries, you want to bring them all in at once. That's these guys.
That's fair. So you said earlier that you did have a couple of kids. Was that a concern with this move? Because I'm assuming you probably didn't have the kids on some of the other moves.
Well, we had the one, but yeah, we've added another one. And
So
yeah,
now,
it's always a concern because you don't know, like, what am I going to do with the kid? And are we going to have their bed set up in time? And yeah, everything, like, it's all a concern. Like, how is this logistically going to work today? You know, is it going to be a nightmare and we're just going to suffer, or are we going to get Big Ben's and just make it easy on ourselves?
well, I mean, flattered. Cool. So moving forward, now that you know Our Services, would you recommend us to a friend? What would you rate us? Like, if somebody was to ask you about, I don't know, a moving service, or they're moving at all, or some concerns or some stress, what would you be telling them, those people?
Well, for one, 100%, I would recommend you guys. The speed, the quality, the yeah, stress-free on myself and my back, and you know, all of that has been amazing.
Not having to
So,
coordinate with your friends.
yeah, not having to coordinate other people to get here, when they can get here, how long they can stay, because they've got kids, you know. So 100% would recommend you guys, would use you guys again if we ever move, because this has been, now I've seen the other side. It's kind of like flying coach to flying first class.
Once you get that premium service, you never want to go back.
Once you go first class, you don't go back. So no, it's just made the whole day so much better.
Yeah, I mean, you're going to have a day to do whatever you want. You can go golf now.
Yeah, we'll be. Dude, yeah, tell my wife.
Well, sounds good. It was a pleasure. Thank you so
Hey,
much.
Thank you.
Sweet.